Mike, check this out.
You cold?
A little nipply out here today. But yeah, as you can see, it's a brisk 50 degrees out here.
I got layers on too.
Starting to get worried. What was that?
Time 8:45. Your registration's expired. Welcome back to In the Black YouTube channel. I am your host. No, I'm kidding. Let's try that again. Welcome back to the In the Black YouTube channel. I'm your host today, the PCC god, Mo. And here I got Anthony. Who cares? Who even gives a shit? Everyone knows my ass is what you want to see. And today, that's exactly what you're going to get. Anthony, what are we doing today?
All right, guys, so today we will be playing horse. For you that don't know what horse is, basically one of us will come up with some sort of course of fire, a hit factor, what have you. They will shoot it. If they pass, the next person has to shoot it. If they don't pass, they get a letter. First one to spell horse loses.
And right here, you'll see there's the letters horse in case you're like me and you can't spell. Wow. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be shooting the PCC, same standards. He's an M shooter, your boy a high B, so about same. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now, what we're gonna run is 2 shots close, then 2 shots to the middle, then 2 shots to the rear, conduct a reload, 2 shots, 2 shots, 2 shots. Best hit factor wins.
All right, modified accelerator drill.
Modified accelerator drill.
All right, I got your timer, boy.
Shit, we're going straight into it.
Load your shit.
Hold on.
That's why you can't do cold starts. Shooter, load your toy gun and make ready. Get ready. Stand by. .43. First shot was a .9.
There, boy.
Let's go check it. 4 alpha. 4 alpha.
Yo.
Nice. Give me some wiggle room. 3 alpha, 1 Charlie.
Matt, please enter the Minecraft ooh sound. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. Alright, sure, don't fuck it up. Be sure to fucking lift that shirt. Get the pussy. Probably can't use it. Okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Damn, that mag was jammed in there.
Damn, that was still 779.
Fuck, that mag was jammed in there. We had too many.
3 alpha, 1 Charlie. Dude, eyes. 4 alpha. This is what I'm excited about. Come closer. In shooting world, we called this mic
that reload.
Scaring him. It scared him.
Reload close, me. Well,
I'm pretty sure I won that.
Yeah,
one. I don't have to do the math now.
I have to do that. I still had you by almost a whole second too.
You never had me. You never had your gun.
I mean, I did have my gun.
He almost had me. You almost had me. Enter the Vin Diesel clip.
You never had your car.
I love that saying.
I purposely didn't drop the mag. Give Mo a false sense of confidence. Thanks, man.
What are you saying? You know, it's search and destroy. You're the last one left. It's 1v5. Search and destroy, no response, okay? It's gotta be 2, 2, steal, 2, 2. You start left to right or right to left, but it has to be in this order. It's gotta go left to right or right to left, okay?
Copy.
Take that. You're gonna need it. Watch this shit.
Get ready. Stand by. Time. Time 3:55. First shot 110. Charlie had a good hit on steel. So you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 40, 45 with the steel. 45. 45 minus 2 4 is 41. Divided by 355. 11.55 hit factor. 11.55.
Let's go.
All right, 355. Let's do Charlie.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
That's terrible.
I am fucking you up today. I'm in this man's head rent free, dude.
Another mic. Well, might as well just add that. Oh, Matt, put it up there. All right, next drill.
Damn. I'm feeling good about myself now.
Starting to get worried.
What are you guys whispering about? So this is where Anthony might beat me here, is I'm bad at planning. I'm bad at showing up on time, okay? A tuxedo target, open, staying in the shooting box. Paper, end on steel. It has to end on steel.
Got it. 5 paper and end on steel. God, show us how it's done, Mo.
I have no idea how to do this. Fuck.
All right, failure on me, Mo. You ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Time 697. 697. 2 alpha, 2 alpha. 2. That's a Charlie.
I saw it.
2 alpha. Alpha Charlie. 732.
Dude.
732.
PCC World Shoot. I'm coming for y'all. Shooter, are you ready? No pressure.
Yep.
Stand by. Time 561.
561. Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
561. Yeah. 3 Charlies. So 561, 3 Charlies. 873. That's right, bitch. My turn.
Enter mine. H.
Don't enter his. It's not an ace for him.
You get
I get nothing.
add whatever.
There's nothing added. Pick the next drill.
Nothing added.
The drill is from the driver's seat of the car. From the driver's seat of the car with the window down in this lovely 2024 top rest. We're gonna go from here. One moment.
A few moments later.
Is there a time hack on this?
Like this.
7 minutes?
Like this. You gotta shoot 6 rounds on steel.
Okay. Do you have to hit the steel?
I mean,
So you need 6 confirmed hits on steel. Is that what you want?
yeah, 6 confirmed hits.
Okay.
It's gonna be like this. I don't have change. And then go.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Ah!
That was 4. 5. 6.
Jesus.
Yeah. 16 seconds. Woohoo! All right, I got this one.
Fuck.
All right, Grandpa, let's go. I gotta move the seat back.
Yeah, but on my Tinder, I'm 6 foot.
Grinder?
Yeah, my grinder.
I'm not gay no more. I am delivered.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
What was that?
Time 8:45. Your registration's expired.
All right, my turn.
Enter letter.
Enter nothing.
Dude.
You'll get it. We're halfway there. You'll get it.
Are you really retarded?
We're just gonna do all movement, and then we'll just beat him that way. The princess always has to go get stuff. We're always waiting on Mo. All right, Mo. We're gonna just do you're doing your stage backwards.
Dude, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Fuck. Good time. 5-4-1.
5-4-1.
2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha.
1 Charlie. 15.3 divided by 5-4-1 is a 9.8. Someone's about to be an H.
I'm not gonna lie, he probably only did this because he knows running with a PCC backwards is very hard.
All right, 5-4-1, 1 Charlie. You got this, bro. Shooter ready. Stand by. Time 5-5-8.
Damn!
I see a delta. I see an H slowly transitioning over Mo's head. I see, oh, let's bring it in. Let's bring it in. We knew it would eventually take a little bit of time, but as you can see, we got a delta and a mic. We got another delta. We don't even need to do the hit factor on this one.
I'm not gonna lie, I would never call you out like that, like ever.
I just rewind about 10 minutes ago.
In shooting, what we call this is Mike. Scared.
We're gonna do 1 shot, fastest time to get the steal, 50 yards. It's like an A-zone steal. All right, I will be starting in a low ready position, just like you, Mo.
You see the handicaps he's putting on himself?
Just like you do. All right, fine, we'll do it from the draw.
That's right.
I'll still beat you.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Fuck, I threw an extra one.
Time 4-8-7. Let me go back.
It's still terrible. 4-4-5.
4-4-5, dude. I'm gonna get this shit.
I shouldn't have fucking sent it like that. 1-2-9. Not bad. My man's handicapped. He's using a rifle. I'm using a pistol. All right, Mo. Tell us what we got.
All right. Modified T-drill. You can start left or right. Corresponding barrel shoots corresponding target. So boom, boom to the other opposite barrel. 2 shots. Ending with the steel shot. Inside, opposite.
Do we have to hit steel in the middle, or you're just starting in the middle?
Start in the middle. Start shooting any of the papers in that sequential from barrel to barrel. And end and steel.
I don't understand what the hell you're talking about, man.
Mike.
Get ready. Stand by. Six, the devil.
Damn!
All alphas. You almost knocked the barrels over.
Can't help it, I got a thick PCC.
666. Clean.
Clean, baby. Done. He cooked. Shooter, are you ready?
Good.
Stand by.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
588.
Woo!
All clean.
588 clean.
Damn, boy!
Let's go. Keep that movement going, baby.
So nothing. No letters.
Here's the drill. We're gonna run 3 bell drills from the 35 to 25 and the 10. 3 bill drills. All right. All right.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Uh-oh.
What'd you count?
17.
17, so there's a mic.
There's Mike.
Shit! 5.3. Yeah, that's not gonna be good. 5.3.
What's this shit, buddy?
Get ready. Stand by. $16. Woo! 2 mics. And you're a second slower, we don't have to do it.
Okay.
Ho, baby! Ho!
Both of y'all are hoes, all right?
Bail drills. Same thing. Bail drills. But reload in between. So it's bail drill, reload, bail drill.
Get ready. Stand by. $5.17.
I fucked up.
$5.17. 1 Charlie. $5.17.
Fucked up.
1 Charlie. So you got 6. That's 30, 60. 60 minus 2 is 58.
I'm not used to shooting that
58
fast,
divided by 517. 1122. 1122.
11-2-2. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. $4.79.
So
Guys, challenge your friends.
8.
This is good for my ego. It really is.
1086. I'm a whore.
You're a whore?
Why don't you go back to your home on Whore Island?
That Delta killed me. If it was a Charlie, I would have beat him.
A Virginia count, 3 shots per target. That's it.
Get ready. Stand by. Time 382. 382 all alpha.
How often?
Yep, 382 all alpha. Good shooting. All right, 382.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. $353.
Drug it too early. I drug that one too early to get it over there.
You know,
I'm trying to beat the PCC time.
Yeah, something about it's okay to kick your friends when they're down. That's okay. I don't have to say anything. Let me put you in the dirt real quick.
Goddamn handicap. PCC.
No shoots. Half target, no shoots. Bring the tux here. 3 shots. 3 shots, reload, 3 shots. Reload 3.
All right, I'll use my magnet. You said 333?
3-3-3.
And a reload every time?
Reload between targets.
We got this. Get ready. Stand by. Time 617. 617. 1 Charlie.
1 Charlie.
1 Charlie. That's gonna be spicy, folks. That's gonna be spicy.
Stand by.
Terrible reload.
888.
Terrible reload.
He done. He cooked. 2
Yeah.
Charlies.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
How does that make you feel?
Oh, I don't care. He's running a PCC.
How does that make you feel?
I feel good. Feel good.
Just remember, folks, some of us like to push ourselves. We go from concealment, while others use a rifle in a pistol competition.
When they go low,
Let us know what you think of PCC versus pistol. Maybe we'll do something different next time. Maybe we'll both run rifles with 5.56. See how that goes.
just be original. Like, just be you. Shoot PCC, guys. It's awesome, and it's not gay. And if it was, your choice. Who cares? B-level shooter. I'll shout DM. Shoot with your friends. If you like this, hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe.
Later, guys.